I'm a politician. Okay. What I say to the people is my word. Right? I'm saying it publicly to everybody. Take it as an oath. It's interestingly, they haven't denied the information. They haven't said what the voter lists that Rahul Gandhi is talking about are wrong. They're saying, will you do it under oath?
Congress leader and leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi has dropped a political bombshell alleging massive voter fraud in India's electoral rolls, accusations that directly implicate the Election Commission of India and the ruling BJP. In a press conference, Rahul claimed there is a poll nexus between the BJP and the Election Commission, suggesting that the 2024 Lok Sabha election was rigged through fake voter entries and fraudulent addresses added to the rolls. According to him, the BJP only needed to steal 25 seats to stay in power, and conveniently it won exactly 25 seats with a margin of less than 33,000 votes.
आखिरी बात, नरेंद्र मोदी 25 लोकसभा सीट के कारण प्रधानमंत्री हैं. हमें इलेक्शन कमीशन ये डेटा इसलिए नहीं दे रहा है क्योंकि अगर हमने जो यहां महादपुर में किया, अगर हम इसे बाकी लोकसभाओं में करा देंगे तो देश की डेमोक्रेसी की, लोकतंत्र की सच्चाई बाहर आ जाएगी. ये अब एविडेंस है, ये क्रिमिनल एविडेंस है. और इलेक्शन कमीशन देश में पूरे एविडेंस को डिस्ट्रॉय करने की सोच रहा है.
The Congress leader said his party had been suspicious in the 2023 Chhattisgarh polls, but those doubts turned into conviction after the BJP's win in the 2024 Maharashtra Assembly elections. He alleged that their internal investigations uncovered staggering discrepancies, citing Karnataka's Mahadevapura as an example, where over 1 lakh fake or invalid addresses were reportedly found. BJP went on to win the Bangalore Central Lok Sabha seat by a margin of 32,707 votes. I am a politician speaking to the people. Take this as an oath, Rahul Gandhi declared, asserting that the Election Commission had not officially refuted his claims.
I'm a politician. Okay. What I say to the people is my word. Right? I'm saying it publicly to everybody. Take it as an oath. This is their data, and we are displaying their data. This is not our data. This is Election Commission data. It's interestingly, they haven't denied the information. They haven't said what the voter lists that Rahul Gandhi is talking about are wrong. They're saying, will you do it under oath? Why don't you say they're wrong? Because you know the truth. And you know that we know that you've done this across the country.
But within hours of the press conference, the Election Commission hit back, asking Rahul Gandhi to submit detailed proof of his allegations by the end of the next day, August 8. The Karnataka Chief Electoral Office sent a formal letter demanding evidence of fake voter entries and asked him to sign a statutory declaration under the Registration of Electors rules. As the standoff between Rahul Gandhi and the Election Commission escalates, all eyes are now on whether Rahul Gandhi submits the promised proof or if this political firestorm fizzles out under pressure.